Hello everyone. So today we will read sentences. So let us start. The cat is on the red mat. The cat is on the red mat. Okay, your turn. Very good. The lad has a green hat. The lad has a green hat. Very good. The ham is in the pan. The ham is in the pan. Okay, please read. The bat is in the keg. The bat is in the keg. Okay, please read. The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. Okay, your turn to read now. The men are on the bed. The men are on the bed. Okay, please read. Good. The big blue net is wet. The big blue net is wet. Okay, please read. The red pen is on the pad. The red pen is on the pad. Okay, your turn to read now. The kid hid in a pit. The kid hid in a pit. Okay, your turn to read now. Tina has a bib. Tina has a bib. Okay, let's read it again. The cat is on the red mat. The lad has a green hat. The ham is in the pan. The bat is in the keg. The ball is in the box. The men are on the bed. The big blue net is wet. The red pen is on the pad. The kid hid in a pit. Tina has a bib. Okay, your turn to read now. Superb. Excellently done. Once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless. Bye.